What if your car key could do more than just unlock your vehicle? Imagine a stylish touchscreen key that not only starts your engine but also locks your doors, raises your windows, and even helps prevent losing your key. Welcome to the world of the best universal smart LCD car key, a new generation of car keys designed for modern drivers. These high-tech gadgets combine convenience, security, and a sleek look into one smart solution. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out and find the one that fits your needs best. Let's get started. Number 5. Yikixon CF920 Universal LCD Smart Key. The CF920 Universal LCD Smart Key from Yikixon is a versatile option for car owners who want to bring their vehicle's entry system into the modern age. Designed to work with cars that feature engine start and stop buttons, this model offers convenience, security, and a clean, responsive touch interface. One of the key advantages of this model is its broad brand compatibility. Whether you drive a BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Lexus, Honda, or even a Fiat or Renault, this smart key can replace your traditional remote while maintaining the same communication between the key and the car. It supports smart comfort access and can automatically lock and unlock your car depending on your proximity. Number 4. Newest Universal LCD Smart Key for BMW. This 2024 new Universal LCD Smart Key is built for BMW users looking for a smart, seamless key upgrade. It introduces an app-controlled wallpaper feature, which allows drivers to personalize their key screen with custom images. Though this might seem like a small touch, it adds a level of uniqueness not seen in many alternatives. The key supports full comfort entry, unlocking the vehicle when within close range and locking it as you walk away. It is compatible with most BMW models that have an engine start and stop button. However, it is important to remember that it is not suitable for cars that rely on physical key insertion or manual ignition systems. Its LCD interface is crisp and vivid, featuring a clean layout and intuitive touch functionality. The touch response is smooth, and the tempered screen is durable enough for everyday use. Despite its modern screen, the smart key retains all original vehicle security protocols. Number 3. Yikixon TK800 Universal Smart LCD Car Key. The TK800 Universal Smart Key from Yikixon is a reliable and stylish option for users who want an elegant LCD car key without sacrificing comfort and security. This key features a touch-sensitive glass screen that is both responsive and visually appealing. It supports multiple languages, including English, Korean, Russian, French, and more, making it ideal for international users. Its features are well-rounded, offering everything from anti-lost functionality to time and date display. It is designed for vehicles with a push-button start system and supports automatic locking and unlocking when the key is within range. Some vehicles also support automatic window rolling features, which this key is capable of handling. Installing the key requires transferring your original key circuit board and using an OBD harness for proper connectivity. Once installed, the TK800 provides consistent and secure performance without affecting the original vehicle's functionality. Number 2. Universal Smart LCD Car Key with iOS tracking support. This Universal Smart LCD Car Key is not just a key, it is a smart device built for iPhone users. It supports location tracking using Apple's Find My feature, making it one of the few car keys that can help you locate your vehicle key if it is lost. This functionality requires iOS version 14.5 or higher and works similarly to Apple's AirTag system, offering global positioning without needing a SIM card or additional data charges. The key also supports a smart comfort entry system. When nearby, your car unlocks without pressing a button, and as you walk away, the doors lock themselves. This hands-free interaction adds convenience for anyone who is constantly on the move. Number 1. CF920 Modified Universal Remote Smart LCD Key. The CF920 Modified Universal Smart LCD Key is easily the standout in this lineup. Built with an eye-catching Audi-style design and a solid alloy body, This key combines durability with a premium appearance. Its LSP high-definition anti-glare LCD screen ensures excellent visibility under sunlight. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful, please like the video and also don't forget to subscribe our channel.